Hello everyone, I am from Institute Guru Govind Singh Polytechnic Nashik. This presentation is prepared by Sai Rajendra Paithankar and Prachi Anand Deshpande. We are second year electrical engineering students. Our micro project name is Thevenin's Theorem.
Statement of Thevenin's theorem. Any network containing active or passive element and one or more dependent or independent voltage or current sources can be replaced by an equivalent network containing a voltage source and a series resistance. It's called Thevenin's equivalent resistance. Second, steps for the Thevenin's theorem. Step 1. Remove the branch the current through which is to be obtained. Step 2. Calculate the open circuit voltage VOC or VTH. Step 3. Obtain RTH between the open circuited points. Step 4. Draw the Thevenin's equivalent circuit and connect the removed branch as load to find the branch current. Advantages of Thevenin's theorem. First, it reduces a complex circuit into a simple one. Second, it is useful in finding current in a particular branch of network. Third, it is possible to apply this theorem at any 2 points of a given network. Where can't we apply the Thevenin's theorem? The Thevenin's theorem cannot be applied under the following operating conditions. First, if the network is unilateral. Second, if the given network contains non-linear elements. Third, if there is any magnetic coupling between the load and the circuit. Fourth, if there are control sources on the load side which are being controlled from some part of the circuit. Application of the Thevenin's theorem. First, the Thevenin's theorem makes it possible to convert a complicated network to a simple equivalent network. Using the simple network, we can determine voltage, current, power delivered to the load. Second, it can be used to justify the concept of input and output resistance of an amplifier circuit. Drawbacks of Thevenin's theorem. First, the Thevenin's theorem is not applicable to the networks containing unilateral elements, example diode, etc. Second, the Thevenin's theorem is not applicable to circuits consisting of load in series or parallel with dependent or controlled sources. Third, the Thevenin's theorem is not applicable to networks containing non-linear elements, example diode, transistor, etc. Fourth, it is not applicable to networks containing magnetic coupling between load and any other circuit element. Thank you for watching this video.